Just remember when you're working with headstocks, just to keep the moisture down. You don't want the moisture to get down inside those tuning peak holes. Okay, so I've got our spalted maple LPJ guitar kit back up on the bench. It's had about 12 coats of clear gloss and about a week to dry. And from here, what we want to do next is start flat sanding that clear gloss. So if I hold the guitar up in the light, you see we've got a nice shiny glossy appearance of the paint already, but you can also probably see that peel effect through the paint, especially near that pickup cavity. So what that indicates are that there are different levels to the paint, different heights, and the light's reflecting differently in different areas. So what we want to do next is start flat sanding that height difference out of the paint and making it nice and flat. And from there, we'll lose that glossy appearance that we've got now, but we'll have a nice flat surface that we can start polishing up and bring back that, or bring back an even glossier appearance if that's what we want to do. So what I'm using here is an 800 grit paper. I'm just sanding fairly lightly, not too aggressively. I'm also just cleaning off the guitar and the paper fairly regularly as well as the grit builds up. Once you've sanded for a little while, just hold the guitar up in the light and just have a look at your progress. So I can see that I'm flattening out this section here. It's got far less peel compared to the other sections of the guitar, but it's also lost a lot of that shine. And that's really what we'll be going for right over the guitar. So from here, I'm going to continue sanding this using the 800 grit. I'm going to sand down the whole guitar. It's probably going to take a few hours, and we'll check back in on progress after that.